Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technical Speaks. In this video we are going to see how we can download and install NetBeans IDE version 13 in Windows. Version 13 is currently the latest version. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first we would need to download the Java JDK and would set up environment variables in our Windows. If you already downloaded Java JDK files and set up your environment variables, then you can skip this. So to download Java JDK, just search here Java JDK. Here we have two versions of Java available to download, which is 17 and 18. So let's select Windows and then version 18. Here just click on this link x64 installer and automatically it will start download. You can see it downloaded successfully. Let's see where the Java files are located. So here you can see Java files are available. Now in the next step, we will need to set up the path of our JDK file in the environment variables. So for that, first open bin folder. Inside the bin folder in JDK file basically consists of all the major tools such as Java C, Apple T Viewer, AWT tool, etc. Now we would need to set the path of JDK bin inside environment variables. So for that, first copy the path from here. Now open environment variables. So to open it, right click on PC, click on properties, then click on advanced system settings. Now here you can see we have an option of environment variables. Just click on it. Here you can see we have two types of variables. One is for user and the second is for the system. So we would need to add the path in both the variables one by one. Let's do it. Here just click on new. Inside the variable name, enter path, and inside the variable value just paste the JDK bin path that we copied earlier. Same in the system variables, click on new, same here path and then the copied JDK bin path and then click OK. One more path we would need to add here, which is important for NetBeans installation, that is Java Home inside the system variables. Java Home will contain the path of the main JDK. Let's go back and copy that path. After copying it, just click here on new. Inside the name, just enter Java Home and in value enter the copied JDK path and click OK. Now Java is successfully installed in our Windows. To check if it is working perfectly or not, open command prompt, search here Java version. So you can see here it is showing the Java version 18.0.1. So now Java is successfully installed in our Windows. In the next step, we will see how we can download and install NetBeans in our Windows. So for that, just search NetBeans download and then click on the first link. Here you can see Apache NetBeans 13 is the latest version and we are going to download it. Just click on download, then here click on the binaries zip file. Now click on this suggested link to download the NetBeans. And here you can see it start downloading automatically. So here the zip NetBeans file downloaded. Let's extract it first. So here it extracted. Let's open it. Inside it you can see a folder named as NetBeans, which consists all the important files. So simply cut this folder and paste it inside the folder where our Java files are located. In my case, it is inside program files, so I simply paste it here. You can see it's successfully downloaded. So to install it and run it, first go to the bin folder. Here you can see the NetBeans 64 application file. Simply run it, and that's it. Here you can see our NetBeans file is successfully installed and now running it in our Windows. If in case if you are getting such error like Java 1.8 or above not found when you running the application NetBeans 64, then no need to worry. Simply go to etc folder and then edit this file netbeans.conf, and here just set the path of Java JDK path and simply save it. It will start running without any error. So this is how we can install NetBeans in our Windows. In our later videos, we will see how we code and build projects in NetBeans. So friends, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and for notification of our such more tech videos, hit the bell icon.